Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, known here as the One-Handed Bandit. And today I just wanted to do a neutral look because I know sometimes people see colorful palettes and they get discouraged and typically not want to purchase because there are so many bright colors in there. And I recently did a video with the Anastasia Beverly Hills times Alyssa Edwards palette, this palette here. And the look that I did with this palette was very bold and colorful, but this palette has some really nice neutral shades in there. There's like there's a tan, there's a caramel, there's a brown, there's a black, there's a gold. So there are colors in there that you can use for neutral looks. And since I'm going out tonight, I decided to do a neutral look, and as well as, you know, come on camera and film it all for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to do a voiceover for the rest of this video because I am currently watching the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics drama unfold on YouTube. So I'm gonna continue to watch that while I do my makeup. But I do see all of my new subscribers, so thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Please share my videos with your friends and family so that you can help support me and so that my channel can grow. And I will see you in my next video. So now on to the eye look. So to conceal my eyelids, I'm using the Jouer Place concealer in number 13, just to prime my eyes before my shadow. And I'm going in with the ABH Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm going to use the first shade called... Next, I'm using this chocolate brown shade called Back Rolls. Then I'm going into the black shade in the palette called Beast. And I'm just carving out my cut crease with that same concealer. And now going back into the palette with the gold shade called Inspire. And aligning my eyes with my ABH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. And I've already primed my face with my Bakerie Beauty Oil. And I'm going in with the Bakerie Cake Mix Foundation. And then back again with the Jouer Place concealer in number 13. It is a very nice highlight shade for my skin tone. And I'm also going to bring it down the bridge of my nose as well and blend it out. Using another Jouer Place concealer in number 7 as a contour for my nose as well as my cheeks. Gonna set my under eye with my Beauty Bakerie Flour Powder in yellow. And to set my contour, I'm going in with the Crayon Case contour palette, and I'm going to use this shade called Bricky to set my nose contour. And going in with the shade Bobby to set the cheek contour. And doing a little bit reverse contour with that powder as well. And then I'm going to set all over my face with my Jouer Hydrate Plus Set powder. And to add to my bottom lash line, I'm going to be using the shade BBDC. And I'm just going to set my entire face with my Glow Recipe setting mist. And for highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in So Hollywood. And to line my lips, I'm using the Colourpop and Makeup Shayla collab in BFF4 just to line my lips. And for my lipstick, I'm using Juvia's Place Liquid Lip in the shade Candice. And that is it. That is the final look. I hope that you have all enjoyed. Also, make sure that you have subscribed. Also, click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload videos. And I'll see you in the next one.